Idol, oh, naglalaga na ako ng paninda ko, oh, pero huwag natin kakalimutan yung nasa taas, mga idol. Siyempre sa mga magulang, shout out Marvin Janet Bauson, Angel Sweet, shout out Tintin Roca, shout out Kuya James Vlog, shout out Romulo Manawis Garza Jr., shout out Cosly, shout out Uniwords, shout out Santa Biray Biray, shout out Mark Joseph Lictawa, Hasmin, shout out Tamay Road, Carlo Anjo Navarro, taktak mo, shout out Gianni Jordan Franco, shout out Laki Kiko Purok 4, shout out Lukaw Purok 4, shout out Dapit Ilog Lukaw Purok 3, shout out Gayaman Shield, shout out Nada Enjoyo, shout out amin niya managlako trabaho na Starman Boy, shout out Sir Ma'am Rose, shout out Ma'am Fatima Joy, shout out Ma'am Sophia Andrea Bardonado, shout out Ma'am Robert De Guzman, shout out. See you na. May gagawin pa akong iba. Good morning. Kinida, shout out. Ang kasama ko sa Sumbagals ng Karasyaw, shout out. See you na.